Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you some fun ways to fold cash for Christmas gifts. Don't just hand over money, turn it into something awesome. So let's start with a Christmas tree. Fold your bill in half lengthwise from the bottom to top and open it back up. Fold these two corners to the center crease. Fold this part of the bill to the center crease again. Do the same with the other side. Fold the top of the bill to the bottom. Flip the bill around and fold the bill down until this part of the bill. Fold the corner inward and pay attention that this part still looks like a tip. Do the same with the other side. And open both foldings back up. Fold the edge to the center and pay attention that the edges down here are directly on top of each other. Do the same with the other side. And here's your Christmas tree. Next, I'll show you how to make a star. For this one, you'll need 5 bills. Put the first bill in front of you with the face on top. Then fold your dollar bill in half lengthwise. We use the crease as a reference line. Open the bill back up. Now you're gonna use the opposite of the letter. Fold the corners to the center crease. Now fold the top of the bill to the letter that the top touches the circle. Flip the bill around. Fold the two corners on top to the center crease. Now do this again, fold this part of the bill to the center crease. Do the same with this part of the bill. Flip your bill around. Now you have a little pocket in here, and you're gonna fold the bottom of the bill into the pocket. Fold this part of the bill in half again. And then do it one more time. So you did this folding 3 times. Your first part of the star is done, and now you have to do it 4 more times. Now that we have all 5 pieces together, we're gonna put them together to a beautiful star. Pick up 2 pieces and make sure that they are facing the same way. You have 2 pockets here on this side and a third one on the back side. Take this flag and put it in the first pocket. Flip it over. Take the other flag and stick it in the backside pocket. Continue this until you get all 5 pieces. Take the last one and stick it in a pocket. Flip it around and put a flag in the backside pocket. Then flip it around again and put this flag into the second pocket. Then flip it around again and put the last flag into the backside pocket. Then push all 5 pieces together. And that's how you make a $5 star. And if you want to see how to turn that star into a shooting star, stick around. I'll show you right now. Put another dollar bill in front of you. Fold your dollar bill in half lengthwise. We use the crease as a reference line. Open the bill back up. Now fold the edges to the center crease. Then fold this part of the bill to the outside. Do the same with the other side. Flip the bill around. Fold the edges to the center crease. Flip the bill around. And fold the bill lengthwise again. Open your foldings now. Fold the 2 corners on the left side to the center crease. Now fold your bill together again, like an accordion. And you are done with the tail. Now take your star, which one you folded before. A video how to fold a star is linked at the beginning of this video or in the video description. Now push the top of the tail in one of the pockets. Turn down the tail and turn both around. And your shooting star is done. I hope you enjoyed these ideas. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments which folding design was your favorite. Happy folding and Merry Christmas!